Hello there, this is Robert Schein, a partner and managing director of Blanke Schein Wealth Management. Well, today is March 30th, 2020, and I want to give you a brief update about some key observations and some did you know. Well, first of all, it's a National Doctors Day, so all those healthcare providers out there, our thoughts and prayers are with you. Thank you for all that you do in this time of, obviously great need. And so thanks for all you do and your sacrifice in the front lines there for everyone. So over the weekend, California just named real estate as an essential business. So the virtual home tours are still going on as we're in our homes, but there's still an opportunity to look at some real estate as well. That's key because it's a big component, especially out here in California, to the economy itself. So as long as it's done in a smart, measured, and prudent fashion, that seems to be they're taking one step at a time and making some smart decisions, at least on the economic front. So as I mentioned back in a couple weeks back, March 19th, I said that there was going to be a huge onslaught in a positive way of science and medical technology really united around the globe working at this 24/7 to find a cure for the COVID-19. And so we had some positive announcements this weekend. The FDA just approved a test, and testing is important because you can't manage what you can't measure. So testing is critical. So the FDA approved a 5-minute test by Abbott Labs, and now that's going to be hitting the marketplace very soon, rapidly. Johnson & Johnson and a few others have made some breakthroughs on some additional items that could help get us through this. So as I referenced, we haven't seen the COVID-19 before, but we also haven't seen the world work together, especially the ingenuity of Americans, full force. So a lot of positive news as it relates to that. And listen, I did that on March 19th and today is March 30th, and that was in 20 days. So that's exciting. So we had the $2 trillion stimulus, phase 3, if you will, completely unanimous bipartisan support from the Senate, passed the House, and then we had President Trump sign it into law on Friday. What that ultimately means, well, there's 888 pages of legislation, so there's a lot to this. Please stay tuned, subscribe, and if you want, get on our email list, and we'll send out our thoughts as to sort of the net retirement impact, small business owner impact, and a few other insights that we can ultimately, as we go through this, sort of share our viewpoint. Thanks.